Good day everyone, today is Thursday, April the 14th. My name is Rafi Boyajan, currency analyst at xm.com, here to provide you with your Forex news update. Global equities continue to rise from the risk-on mood prevailing the markets since Tuesday, as European and US stock markets closed up sharply for a second day. In Asia, the Nikkei 225 index added another 3.2% today, as the yen slid further versus the US dollar. The greenback made modest gains in Thursday's Asian trading to climb to 109.42 yen, following a 0.7% jump yesterday against the Japanese currency. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan's governor, Haruhiko Kuroda, repeated on Wednesday the bank's readiness to ease again if inflation expectations showed signs of weakening. The Australian and New Zealand dollars were weaker on Thursday on a combination of dollar strength and lower crude oil prices. The Aussie had dropped to 0.7618 versus the greenback before receiving a lift from better than expected unemployment data. The jobless rate in Australia fell unexpectedly from 5.8% to 5.7% in March, confounding expectations of a rise to 5.9%. The Aussie rebounded slightly to around 0.7650 after the data. The New Zealand dollar, however, extended yesterday's losses to fall sharply in today's Asian trading. The Kiwi was weighed down by a disappointing manufacturing PMI, as well as a surprise decision by Singapore's central bank to ease monetary policy, which was seen as a sign of weak global trade. The Kiwi fell over 1% to 0.6833 versus the US dollar in late Asian trading. In commodities, crude oil prices came under pressure following a Reuters report that a Russian oil minister was quoted as saying that Sunday's meeting between major oil producers is likely to produce only a loose agreement. US oil futures fell below $41 and were last trading at $40.86 a barrel. The decline in oil prices lifted the US dollar back towards 1.29 versus the Canadian dollar, but found resistance just below the level as the loonie was being supported by an upward revision to GDP growth forecasts for 2016 by the Bank of Canada yesterday. Looking ahead to the rest of the day, Eurozone and US inflation figures will be watched, along with the Bank of England's latest monetary policy decision. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.